All right, next we have discussion, and discussions are broken into kind of two categories. The bulk of your discussion grade is going to come from just those weekly discussions, and many of them are going to be like small group discussions where you will sign up for a convenient time slot, so something that's in with like a 4-hour window per se. So that when you're discussing, you're guaranteed to be getting some feedback from your classmates. A lot of times in an online class, a discussion board can kind of feel really disconnected, where you don't have anything really, there's no real concrete connection between students because you're far away from each other, you're participating at different times. But we will work on trying to ensure that at least one other person is online with you within the same hour, so that when you're making replies, an actual conversation is taking place. It's not just 30 people responded to the initial post. Group discussions are graded quantitatively. So if you followed the instructions from the discussion and you answered each question, then you're gonna get 100%. If you didn't answer some of the questions from the discussion, or if your response was completely off topic, then you might lose a point or so. However, if you're late on your discussions, you'll lose 50% credit. And that's just an incentive for getting the discussions done on time and really encouraging that interaction between you and your classmates. The discussion leader. So the 15% is going to come from those weekly discussions. But each of you is going to sign up for one day of the semester where you're going to be the discussion leader, and you're going to choose a topic that's based on the course content from that week, and you'll offer a little bit of context telling how your topic that you want to discuss coordinates with some course materials, and then you'll ask the class a question or give them a prompt to discuss. And then as they discuss your prompt or your question, you'll reply to them. So you'll, instead of making, one reply to everybody's topic, you'll make 3 replies back into your own topic. And we'll look at that. We'll sign up for the week that you want to lead the discussion, and we'll look at the instructions for that in a lot more detail later in this very same class meeting. And just like the weekly discussions, the discussion leader post is going to be graded quantitatively. So if you completed it, you're going to get 100%. If it's incomplete, if some pieces are missing, it will get partial credit. And then also if it's late, it will get 50% credit. And again, that deduction from discussions for half credit for late discussions is truly just to really incentivize punctual and interactive communication between you guys. If you have any questions about the discussion category, either the weekly discussion leader or the synchronized group discussions, please use the replies so we can get a conversation started.